Yeah. What's good? This ain't on the go. How you guys doing? You know, I'm back with another review. You already know. It's lit. I'm coming to you live. Well, you already know. I finally got this special Pikachu edition Game Boy. I finally got it. I am so happy. Shout out to my... So you already know, ain't on the go. Got my boy Zilla. He pulled up with the items.
You already know.
With the yellow, with the amiibo. You gotta catch it where they can find you, bro.
Yo, they could hit me up, Zilla the Ninja or Tenshi_Zilla. If they need any Pokemon products, any anime products, hit me or hit up Ant.
Hell yeah, he the plug, you feel me? So, you know, I'm just trying to cop over him right now. So you already... Hell yeah, good looking,
bless,
bro.
My guy, let's hit the za, bro.
Well, welcome, bro.
Bro, thank you, my guy.
So you already know, it's lit. Yeah. But yeah, he helped me out with this game. And basically, I'm just so happy to have it, you know. It took me years of getting this game. This whole CIB took me a while to get this. And this is, of course, authentic, you know what I'm saying? Authentic Pokemon box. But yeah, guys, this, oh man, let me just jump right into it. So this game came out what, in the 1990, oh yeah, 1995. That's the year it came out, 1995 through 1999. Yeah, it's amazing. This game is amazing. I know you guys, if you ever heard about Pokemon, you know that Pokemon Yellow, this is the beginning. You know, Pokemon Yellow, Red, and Blue, these are the beginning. But I only have Pokemon Yellow. Pokemon Red and Blue, you know, you already know what's going on with Pokemon games, guys. If you don't know, they are increasing every day. There's more people that love Pokemon, you know what I'm saying? And the younger generation, they love Pokemon. So I'll be honest, if you have this game, if you don't, get it. If you have it, keep it. Because I'm telling you, this game is... It's a lot. You could pass it down. You know what I'm saying? This is why I love physical hardware items. Because you can pass it down to generation. You know what I'm saying? You know, it's different than digital games. If you would have had this on a digital game... Let's say if I had this, right? I'm going to show you right now. Yeah, guys. So... as you can see, I have, you know, the physical Pokemon Pikachu Yellow, and I have the digital on the 3DS. So you see how it is, you know. It's cool to have it digital. You know, you can go around, you can go anywhere, and it will be great, you know. And you see what's so crazy? I haven't really started a game on this. Oh, I have. Oh, but you see, I haven't really got far. On the 3DS is cool, you know, but then it's like I'd rather have it on this and I'd rather have the physical because this is so easy to move around, you know, to travel with than the 3DS, of course. I'd rather have, you know, and I could bring this game around, you know, and even though, let's say, if my 3DS get lost, now let's say if I lose this 3DS, now I'm out of the Pokemon Yellow in all my games. Right? But, you know, if I have this now, let's say if I happen to lose this or if I happen to lose this, I'll still have the game. You know what I'm saying? But let's say if I happen to lose the Pokemon Yellow in this, then at least I still have the box of this. But if I lose this, I'll lose everything. You know, that's all my investment. So basically what I'm saying is that I love to collect the physical hardware. It's amazing. Yeah, it's really amazing collecting the physical hardware. You know. And yeah, and I'm going to just jump right into it. I just wanted to, you know, give you guys that. But yeah, Pokemon Special Pikachu Edition. And you know, I never had this when I was younger. The first Pokemon game I ever had was Pokemon Red. You know, my mom purchased that for me, and I was so hyped, and I never was able to get Pokemon Yellow, because around that time, Pokemon Yellow was sold out fast. You know, Pokemon Yellow was sold out everywhere. So I was like, wow, it was so rare back in the day, and I wasn't able to get the physical, you know, But oh yeah, you know what else I like about the physical too? Now, I mean, yeah, you can trade, well, yeah, you could trade as well. Yeah, I just love the physical haul. It's amazing. And look, let's jump right into it. You've finally been granted your Pokemon trainer's license, and now you're on your way to becoming the world's greatest Pokemon trainer. Amazing. I mean, I guess you guys already know this whole thing, Pokemon already. So let me not just, it's great. You could catch 150 Pokemon, and you know what I didn't know? This is what I didn't know. You could battle a friend in the new Coliseum 2 for the Pika Cup, Petite Cup, and the Poke Cup titles. Require 2 yellow versions and a game link cables, each sold separately. I didn't know that part. That was pretty cool. And I didn't know that you could print out your Pokédex with the Game Boy printer and then have a game link cable, but it's sold separately. I didn't know about that. I forgot about the Game Boy printer. You see, it's like, that's why I love about it, And being that we talking about it, you see how you can use a game printer on this. You can't use a game printer on this. Let's say if you wanted to print out your Pokédex or a different Pokemon picture or the art, you can't do that on a 3DS. You know what I'm saying? Because this is digital. So this is why I love physical, guys. If you know me, I love physical, and if you know me, I love portable. But yeah, let's just jump right into it. Let's see the physical, let's turn this up, Actually, yeah. And I'm gonna show you guys. Amazing. Yeah, amazing. Yeah, guys, let me know which Pokemon game do you have for Game Boy. Do you have red, blue, or yellow? Which one did you start it? Which one of these games did you start with when you was younger? Or whichever Pokemon game. But Pokemon Red was the first one I started with. And then I had Pokemon Silver and so forth. But yeah. And let me know if you want me to do a Pokemon collection or a Pokemon a long review on this Pokemon Pikachu. But yeah, I'm gonna get into the unboxing. So, as you can see, the iconic Pikachu right here. And this is the first print. So, how you can tell it's the first print? Because it got the ESRB right there. And it always will be white. So the white one, if you see this, that means it's the first print. Special Pikachu edition. There's 4 different prints altogether. 4 different prints, guys. So this is the first one. And I was happy. And I got it for a steal. Shout out to my bro. You know what I'm saying? I paid a great deal. He know how much I love Pokemon Yellow. He know. Yo, shout out to my son Zilla, bro. If you watching this, shout out to you, bro. Thank you. Made in Japan. You got the Gengar right here. Then it got, Nintendo America. And then what I like about this, it shows the year on when it got released. So in the 1990, the 90s, it got released. This is the year right here. And then this right here should always match up to the game. So everything should match up to the Pokemon Yellow. So look, I'm gonna show you right now. Amazing. And this is what everything it came with. I'm getting the manual. I'm missing one thing from the Pokemon Yellow, but I'm getting it. It's coming in the mail. I'm getting a manual, which is really nice. And let me know what you think about the you think it's a great condition? I think this is a great condition box. I love it. I can't be no. Yo, shout out to my bro once again. So catch Pikachu and friends in this powerful new Pokemon lineup. So you got the Hey You Pikachu, Talk to Pikachu, pretty cool, on the Nintendo 64. I don't have that. Portable fun available now. Pikachu 2. Oh man, I should have never sold that. I regret selling my GS. I had this, but I sold it. I didn't understand it, but now I do. I didn't understand it. I really sold it like recently. I'm gonna get it back again though. I'm gonna get that Pikachu 2. I'm gonna get it back. And then you got Pokemon Puzzle League. Oh, this is pretty cool. Challenging 2-player. That's pretty cool. That's really cool. I like that. Damn, that's crazy. And then you got the Nintendo 64 right here. New Pika. Fire. Then, of course, you got the Game Boy, manual. Then you got this Gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon. Free with your paid Nintendo Power subscription. Player's guide. Offer inside. Let's see what's inside. The Pokemon Times. Oh man, it's amazing. Professor Oak. This is where it all started, guys. Honestly, this is where it started for me. You know, Pokemon been huge for me. Huge. And let's be honest. I'm going to be honest with you guys. If it wasn't for Pokemon, I probably wouldn't even get the Nintendo. I probably wouldn't even have this. You know what I'm saying? This system. Shout out to Pokemon, because I kept buying every piece of hardware. I had this. I had this. You know what I'm saying? I have Game Boy Micro. I have a whole bunch of Game Boys. But I don't have Game Boy Color. Let me know if you have Game Boy Color. I need that. And then, of course, you got, you know, the white tray. And then you got Pokemon Yellow. Woo! Amazing, amazing. The physical, oh, man. They don't make games like this no more. You know what I love about the physical games, too? Is the art of it. You can't replace art. You know what I'm saying? Look at the art. Look at the art. And the Nintendo Switch games, you know, you already know how the cart looked. But this, you see the art is big. You see, look at that. And then oh man, that art is fire, guys. Let me know on a scale of 1 to 10 what you think. Now, let's play it. I just started a save file on this physical game. I honestly do love playing the physical. Let's start it up like this. We're going to start it up like this. We ain't going to do the 3DS. We're going to start it up like this. We're going to start it up like this. Yeah. Uh-oh. Woo! Dun, 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 dun. Pika Pika. Yo, I love this game. Shout out to Zilla, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna leave his information in the description so you guys can give him a follow. But yeah, he's the broski. He helped me, you know, obtain this Pokemon, you know, Pokemon Yellow. And I finally completed, like, I didn't complete my Pokemon collection, but I definitely completed, you know, most of the Pokemon games that I have. I'm good with Pokemon right now, honestly. If anybody want to trade, sure, I'm trading. But these games, it's going up. It's going up. But I had to get this Pokemon Yellow. I had to. Make sure you get them. Catch them all. Catch them all before it's too late, guys. Catch them all before it's too late. I promise you. Look at Pikachu. I just love playing on the physical hardware. Look at this. Pikachu! Electric type. Yo! And you know what I like about Pokemon Yellow? I know a lot of people like, oh, you know, Pokemon is the hype train, but it's really it's really great. You know, this is a really great game. This is the only game that have color. You know what I'm saying? For a Game Boy game. Let me know what other Game Boy game you know that have different colors inside of it. This is not a Game Boy Color game. This is a Game Boy game. Look. And Pikachu talk to you. Look at that. I love it. This is the only game that have color. Let me know any other Game Boy games you know that have color. But yeah, guys, let me know if you want me to go in depth on playing this game. This is an amazing game. I'll be on live sometimes, you know. Just definitely subscribe, like, comment if you love videos like this. Oh, this just takes me back from when I was younger, but I never had this game. I never had this game ever. I only had Red, and Red was, you know, I just love Pikachu following me, you know. That's iconic right there. You know, you can't get, you know, you can't get no more. It's amazing. It's amazing. Let me know what was your favorite. What's your top 3 Pokemon games? What is your top 3? Let me know in the description. My top 3 Pokemon games. Well, see me in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna give you my answer, but let me know your answer. What is your top 3 Pokemon games? And yeah, guys, have a great day. Oh, fire. And let me know what you think. Playing it on a physical is better, or playing it on a digital? What you think? Digital on a 3DS or physical on a Game Boy Advance SP? What you think, guys? For me, I love the physical. You already know. I get to move around, travel. It's really lightweight. You know, really light. And yeah. You could play with one hand. You know what I'm saying? I could easily play with one hand while recording, guys. It's amazing. I love this game. I love this era was the best era of gaming to me. Best era. It wasn't doing too much. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I don't own any huge system, guys. So I love portable games. But yeah, guys, enjoy your day and on the go. Let me know. Please like, comment, subscribe. I see you in the next video. Oh, let me save it right here. Yeah, let me save it right here. See you guys later.